Hi, I'm Andrew Catalano, founder of Smart Biology, and in this video we'll discuss an important consideration when aiming for continuity between topics, which is paying close attention to the order in which everything is taught. We'll show how we do that in our Life Intro Bio series.
Another important consideration when aiming for continuity between topics is paying close attention to the order in which everything is taught. So this is especially apparent when we begin our tour of a cell.
In this chapter, we're going to start with a very fundamental cellular concept that starts deep inside the nucleolus of every eukaryotic cell. From there, we'll work our way outwards, which, as we'll see, naturally builds on this fundamental concept, both structurally and functionally, because every part of a cell is connected.
So to summarize, there is continuity within each unit and between the 5 units as well. In Unit 1, we go through a vertical journey from atoms, molecules, all the way to cells. In Unit 2, we begin with a chapter on energy. So what is chemical energy? What does it mean for electrons to be excited? This sets the stage for photosynthesis and respiration. Unit 2 is therefore a horizontal journey as we learn how energy flows through a cell. Until now, we've learned what cells are, how they're powered. In Unit 3, we press the play button to learn what cells actually do through time. And we see that they grow and divide. Growth is central dogma. In division, we cover mitosis and DNA replication. Then this is a nice segue into multicellular growth and division, so meiosis, Mendel, inheritance. Unit 3 is a really important transition chapter because it really ties together nicely the first 2 units with eco-evo at the end. For mitosis, we broke down frame by frame the events that take place in a real cell, and we painstakingly modeled a completely accurate 3D version of this entire process. So truly a unique experience for the students. Of course, when the time comes, we zoom into the kinetochore, we zoom into the chromosomes, etc. So in Unit 3, we press the play button to see the life cycle. In Unit 4, we press fast forward, and we see that life slowly changes through time over many cycles. So life evolves. One of my personal favorite chapters in Unit 4 is a 4.5 kilometer real-time hike through the 4.5 billion year history of the Earth. This is a really unique experience designed to address the #1 stumbling block when it comes to understanding evolution, and that is understanding the incredible timescale over which it takes place. Just a few short clips from that hike, which is about 45 minutes altogether. Of course, all the fun stuff happens in the last 500 steps or so, so it takes a while to get there, but again, it puts everything in perspective. And finally, ecology, where we start with the physical Earth as the setting within which life takes place, then onto populations, communities, showing students how everything really fits together like one big symphony. We actually finish ecology with a chapter on the cycling of atoms and elements, so the carbon cycle, the nitrogen cycle, etc., through both biotic and abiotic vessels, which is really great because it brings us full circle to exactly where we began this extensive journey in the first place, which was the world of atoms and molecules. So just really great continuity throughout this entire series.